Morning everybody, it's Stacksmart here again. And yeah, a couple of videos ago I was talking about this macro pattern, inverted head and shoulders on the gold price. And so let's go over it again. So we got the left shoulder here at the end of 2014 around this is on the gold price, so this is 1131, and then we got the top of the pattern at 1050, and then actually let me just have a look at this again. Yeah, so we've got the left shoulder here in 14, we've got end of 15, we've got the head, and then recently we've got the right shoulder. Okay, now I said that off this pattern it would grind a bit and then it would rise, which it did. It just did it in a shorter space of time than I expected. So let's get rid of some of these lines now to take any confusion away. Now, what I've found over time is that on these head and shoulder patterns, we normally get like a spike up off the shoulder. Let me just draw some lines in. So I expect maybe we'll head up to 1345 or something like that. Possibly, might still grind for a while, but usually there's a retest of the shoulder. So normally we get this kind of retest of the shoulder, and then we begin the rally back up. So it's an unusual pattern, but in essence it likes to retest the resistance or the support line. This at 1200 is specifically important now as a support line in the metals. So let's do that as a medium line at 1200. Okay, I'll take this one out. Okay, so we've got a head at 1050, we've got a shoulder line, I always choose the round number, at 1250, so that projects this price to, if it will show on the chart, projects the price to 1450. I think that I mean, we might retest this 1200, so I think we might do a retest here and then continue with the rally. It's going to be, over time, it's going to be probably more like this type of trend upwards maybe before we get on to the 1450, but because of the Shanghai movements recently and the arbitrage opportunities between the US and Shanghai, I think it's going to really move the metals price higher. So I think we are going to get another revisit downwards shortly. That will be our best buying opportunity for a while, and I think in silver that's going to give us about between $15 and $16. In gold we're talking around between 1200 and 1250 as a price to buy into the rally, in my opinion. But we have got a strong head and shoulders forming there with a target of 1450 heading forward. So in order to continue with the silver interest on this channel, I'm going to be giving a top tip on this channel, because I was doing that on the old channels, but I've not been doing it recently on either channel. So on the silver, I am looking, one thing of interest on silver to go is the selling the 2015 pandas at the moment for 28 quid, which to my mind is really dear. It's a £10 premium on last year, which shows you the massive demand on these pandas that are going forward. Really, it's gone up by 10 quid in the space of a year. But I noticed that there's quite a lot of premium on a lot of these coins, but If you have a look at the African wildlife elephants, they're still £15.48, which I think is very good value still. I think they were only like 14 quid at the cheapest, so that's one of my top tips. The other tip is there's a new iguana, and yeah, so you've got the Queen's Beast Lion that are on pre-order. They're a 2-ounce coin for $35.97, which I think are very good. And then you've got the iguana. Let's see if I can find here we go. The Fiji iguana that have gone on pre-sale. I think they're a bit steep on premium, probably like £5 or £6 on premium, which is dear. But they do look like they're going to be a very good coin. So the elephants and the iguanas are my top tips for today. So have a look at those on Silver to Go. Have a look at the inverted head and shoulders on gold. If you go over to my Stack Smart Silver channel, I've just done an update to my Libertad series I've completed between 2016 and 8 now, and I'm going to continue to go back until it gets too expensive. And check out the inverted head and shoulders. Please subscribe, like and comment. Please subscribe my other channel, and let's stack smart silver together. Okay, that's all for now. Take care, have a great week.